Hey folks, I'm going to show you the easiest way to put a set of wooden steps up against a block foundation. Get a 2x6 pressure treated 2x6 and cut it to the width of what your stair stringers are going to be. In our case, we've got about 39 inches. So I've got 3 stringers set up at 39 inches. And what you're going to end up doing is mounting this on the concrete block wall with Tapcons or with lag screws and lead anchors. And then what you can do is you can hang this stringer onto the ledger board that you're going to mount right onto the block foundation. And I'll show you how to notch out the back of the stringers in order to accommodate that. So what I did is I measured down 2 inches from the top of the stringer that is going to mount up against the concrete wall and marked it off at 2 inches. I cut a little teeny sample of my 2x6 so that I can make a little template. And now once I made my mark across here, I can very easily line this all up, make sure it's good and flush so that the 2x6 will notch right in here perfectly. Mark this with a pencil and cut it out with a saw. So now we're going to mount the ledger board on the concrete block. Just that easy, folks. Tune in again for another do-it-yourself video here at the Clear Creek Cabin Mini Farm.